Trade Genius.
What's going on, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. This morning I wanted to show you guys an interesting metric. This is from Glassnode. They do a lot of cool on-chain data analysis. But one thing that's interesting is the number of entities with a balance of greater than 1,000 BTC. So it doesn't really matter if it's an exchange or it could be a fund or just big whales in general. But it's interesting to watch this metric because if you notice, when we had the run-up, actually preceding the run-up into 2017, where we peaked out at our all-time highs, you'll notice that there was a steady accumulation of higher highs and higher lows of the number of wallets with over 1,000 BTC and then going up. And we are seeing that now in this next phase. Again, this is before halving, so this started to happen through the halving and continued higher, and then topped out and then definitely dropped off as we started going into the peak of that last move into 2017. So this is an interesting metric that I think is worthy of reviewing probably once a month just to see how things are going there. And as you can see more recently, as price came up, you notice that as this came off, so did price, and now we're picking back up, and this is picked back up, and it's actually bucking the trend on price. This last dump here obviously tied to the market, but longer term players looking for pricing to accumulate or appreciate after this next halving, the smart money knows, and they're buying this up. So even though we're having a lot of trouble in the market, even though there's the virus, recession is probably upon us, and how deep this goes remains to be seen. There's going to be a lot of damage to the financial markets and our economy as we kind of get through this economy stoppage, and back on our feet, hopefully sometime toward the latter part of May. But it's going to take time to resolve. But note that, the smart money is piling into this pretty hard. So I think if you look back on history, I think that bodes really well. And I think, you have to look at all the metrics and things like the stock to flow that we talk about. Even though people doubt the valuations, I think it's safe to say that we're going to see another cyclical push higher. We'll take out all-time highs, and I think the years of 2021, 2022 are really going to be pretty spectacular for Bitcoin. So anyway, we'll keep tabs on this metric, but I thought it was interesting to show you guys. Don't forget, what the big players are doing, and they're going right back to accumulating now as we go into halving and beyond. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.
Trade Genius.